Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. It has a very big box. Let me open the box. Okay, you can check. Head unit is good condition. You can check this Toyota Avalon head unit. It comes with special harness and canvas box for Toyota Avalon. A very big head unit and box. You can check this head unit. Let me show the harness set first. Okay, this is harness and special canvas box for Toyota Avalon. You can check this canvas box and this radio antenna. There have one pin. There are 4 pins in this connect radio antenna. Okay, this special power plug to back of head unit. Okay, let me show this power and the speaker. Okay, this audio and power, AUX input left and right. Okay, this backup camera, these two backup camera input. Different backup camera adapter. Okay. It will come with remote controller. This remote controller and original USB. This camera input, aftermarket camera input. This AUX cable, this connector, and video input. AUX input left and right. This external microphone. And this audio cable is connected back of head unit. Okay, this is a subwoofer. This is video out 1 and video out 2. This audio cable, left and right, front and rear. Okay. Let me show the head unit. Toyota Avalon 2013 to 2018 years. It's very big head unit. Okay, you can check. And let me show side, you can check. Okay, this left side. And please take out these two screw. This screw fixing DVD in the shippings. Please take out before installing. Okay, this GPS antenna connects this position. There are two USB cable and external microphone. This LAN cable, this USB, and this 4 other connector. This radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna, this fuse and power connection. Okay, let me show front. Okay, let me connect power cable. Power 12 voltage. This power connection. Okay. Let me turn on. You can check this special head unit Toyota Avalon. It's very big head unit. It's 8-inch IPS touchscreen. Let me show full head unit. Okay. Okay, this is small speaker. Use the test head unit. Okay, this turn on. Please take out this screen protector before using, because our screen already built-in screen protector. Okay. You can check. Let me adjust brightness. Long press, you can change the wallpaper. It supports live wallpaper and wallpapers. Okay. You can check this volume and the power. This knob. This radio. You can check, you can search the radio stations, and this knob you can check, change it. Okay, this home button, this back button, and this EQ, this built-in DSP amplifier. This is load off, load on, disc, this DVD. This take out the DVD. This built-in microphone, this reset hole, this IR. Okay. This Navy, it's built-in Google navigation. This is radio, this mute on, mute off. This power off and the power on. This volume, and there SD card slots, 2 SD card slots, 2 SD card slots. Okay, let me show it. All apps are here. You can check very fast response. DSP amplifier and easy connection for MirrorLink. Supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. It's built in Google Maps and built in Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, let me show the setting. It's built in Wi-Fi. About motion, you can check MCU volume, CPU Octa core, memory size 4 GB. Model is PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me show the storage. You can check this total 64 GB storage. And car settings, personal settings, you can change the LED settings, change the button with red. You can check this red button, and green, change the green button, blue, and any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose blue or red. Let me choose red. Click OK. Personal settings. It's autoplay music from USB SD card. This power SC and LED auto illumination, and the vehicle battery, Bluetooth phone night mode. Navigation settings, you can set the Google Maps and support here Waze, Sagic, Igo, and other navigation sound. Okay, it's drum settings, reversing volume, the watch video, rear ruler, and reversing tracking display, reversing experience, steering wheel controls. Okay, factory settings, upgrade, and factory settings. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you. That's all. Thank you. There have the passenger and the airbag of this lock, this light. Okay, that's all. Thank you.